I'm faded in the car, it's like a round one.
Hey guys, it's Juliana. If you guys want to know how I got this really gorgeous look, don't forget to subscribe and just keep on watching. I'm going to take my Morphe 504. So I'm going to take this color and I'm basically just going to put that all over my crease as a transition shade. We're going to go in with my Morphe R37 and I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm going to be taking this brown right here and a little bit of this brown. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start building that color in the crease and in the outer and inner part of my eye. Then I'm going to take my Morphe E17 and I'm going to take the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to use Venetian Red and I'm just going to focus that on my outer and inner part of my eye and on my crease. So basically right over all the colors we just have. I'm going to take my Morphe F32. I'm going to put the concealer on the back of my hand and just put some on the edge of this brush. Okay, basically just like that, and then you're just gonna bring it down. I'm just gonna put that on like my lash line basically. And I'm gonna go in with this color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's kind of like a mid-tone glitter, so we're just gonna use it right here. Don't get it right, don't get it right. So once we have that, we're gonna go in with the color right next to it, and it's basically just a lighter shimmery color. We're gonna add some glitter to it. I don't know what this is called. Steal a little glitter applicator. I'm gonna take the same exact brush that we used to cut the crease to basically outline that with some glitter. I've been going around, all through the night, and I'm kind of gonna drag that downwards. So now that we have that done, I'm gonna go in with that same light pink color and kind of blend it out. Then I'm gonna take that same color that we were putting on the outside and the inner part of our eye, and I'm just gonna go back and kind of blend everything with that color. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm using the Essence Extreme Volume and Curl. I'm gonna finish up my mascara and I'll be right back when that's done. Okay, so next what I'm gonna take is that same color that we took from the Morphe palette to begin with, and I'm just gonna place that right on my bottom lash line. 4 a.m. driving in Rodeo. I'm gonna take Love Letter and I'm gonna put that right on top of that. Cause I said so. I've been going around, whipping all through the night. Then I'm gonna take Antique Bronze. I just used that one. I'm gonna use this one now. Don't get it right. Don't get it right. I'm gonna put that really close to my waterline. And this is just gonna smoke it out a little bit more. So I'm going to finish off with mascara on the bottom lash line, do my lips, and we're all done. I'm going to take Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. And then I'm going to put whatever is left on my brow bone. I'm going to use Kylie's Naked. After hours off the braille. On top of that, I'm just going to put on a lip gloss. So I really hope you guys get some inspiration from this and try it out. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and all of my other social medias. And I'll see you guys in my next one.